dear friends. My name is Inessa Nesteruk. At the company Mihi, I manage the full cycle of new product creation, from the emergence of an idea to the start of sales. Our cosmetics are created according to strict European standards. We combine natural components and modern biotechnologies. You can exercise regularly, eat properly, and drink enough water. Weight decreases, but the skin texture still remains uneven and inelastic. Why do classic hair methods often fail to restore smoothness and firmness to problem areas of the body? The main reason lies beneath the surface of the skin. Due to a sedentary lifestyle, local microcirculation slows down. Cells begin to retain excess fluid, leading to hidden swelling. Tissues lose tone and press against the upper layer of the skin from within. As a result, visual sagging and the orange peel effect appear. To reduce the visibility of skin imperfections and improve skin texture, we have combined biotechnology with effective toning components. This is Firming Thermocream Body Correct. The formula of this product acts on the skin surface like an invisible shaping corset. The cream restores tone, elasticity, and satin smoothness to the tissues. This cream works on the principle of temperature contrast using a dual-action technology, cold heat. The simultaneous combination of warming components and cooling menthol triggers a powerful temperature wave. It quickly activates capillary exchange in the upper layers of the skin and makes microcirculation work at maximum efficiency. The formula components work in synergy and enhance each other's effects. Caffeine and menthol are responsible for the drainage effect. Caffeine reduces tissue swelling, while menthol tones the epidermis. The extract of red pepper is responsible for improving capillary exchange. It causes local warming and an influx of blood. The spirulina extract and avocado oil restore elasticity, deeply nourish the skin, and smooth its texture. Applying the cream is very simple. Apply it daily, in the morning and evening, to the problem areas of the body using active massage movements. The recommended course of treatment lasts from 4 to 6 weeks. For a stronger effect, additionally use the cream for cosmetic wrapping under film 1 to 2 times a week for 40 to 60 minutes. The best results in body care are always achieved through a systematic approach. To achieve maximum smoothness, use the thermal cream together with our Anti-Cellulite Body Correct scrub. The scrub will gently refresh the skin and prepare it for the action of the thermal wave. Discover premium care and a beautiful silhouette with Mihi.